Today we are going to build a website using WordPress.com. It's absolutely free. Uh, you'll get a free subdomain as well as the hosting. There is no coding required and it's very easy to build it. So let's begin. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Website and App Development. Please subscribe to our channel. Click on Start Your Website. Enter your email address. Choose your username and then choose your password. Then click on Create Your Account. Now type in the domain name that you want. This will be basically the subdomain of WordPress.com. You can skip all this and go for the free option. Select the free option. Now you can skip on this and then start with a free website. Now get started here. Give the name to your site. Enter the site title. I'm choosing here like my site title like the web hub. You can enter yours and give a tagline. Like since this is into technology field, I'm giving like, let's say for example, technology unlimited. All done. Then go to save settings. Now go to edit homepage. Now we have reached a place where this is we can edit it using the graphic user interface. So you don't have to do any kind of coding. You can change your site details and all, the title tags, the subheadings, everything the way you want. Just see how it has been done. Here I want to write my site's name, like say welcome to the web hub, or just say simply the web hub. I can change the subtitle tags. You can write accordingly to whatever your site is about. Accordingly you can change all the details here. I'm not going into the details, and change and the custom, the font size and all. Just click on update. Now you need to confirm your email address. Just check out your email. Click on confirm now. Then you need to complete these points. I can launch your site. You can skip the menu as of now. You can add new menu items later. And now you can launch your site. You can skip purchase, continue with your free site. Now your site is ready to be launched. Open up in a new browser. You can check here. You can edit this posts later by going to the admin panel. Now these are the tools that you can edit your site with. You can add pages. These are the existing pages which are there. You can add a new page. You can select a layout, or you can check out the default layouts which is there. Go for a blank layout. You can check a layout like this. You can edit everything here using the graphic interface. In design, you can go to themes. If you want a total different theme, you can change the theme to whatever you want. These are the free themes. There are also paid themes, but if you want, like, this is the free theme in the name of Shawburn, you can activate this theme and check how it looks. This is how the new theme looks. Again, you can edit this theme accordingly to your the way you want. This is the WordPress admin, the WP admin. You can change things from here. Browse. I hope you like my video. Please comment on anything you need to ask, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.